Hey, good evening to all teachers and students here. I am teacher Yeni from SMK Sultan Yusof. Okay, make sure that I am recording this meeting. Okay, so this meeting is recorded for your information. If you need the video, I will share with you later. Okay, I'm teacher Yeni from SMK Sultan Yusof. I'm one of the AI master trainers. Okay. I'm one of the AI master trainers. Present something else. Okay, let me present my entire screen first. Okay, I hope you can see my Microsoft Word here. Okay, so I will be sharing this with you later after I finish explaining all about this AI Ready ASEAN program. I'm going to share this with you all. Okay, so just for your information, this AI Ready this AI Ready ASEAN program, it's actually for all teachers and students. Have a new message. Hi, Cikgu Emily. Welcome. Okay. Okay. Somebody is in.
Hi, Annie.
Hi, teacher Emily.
Okay, we just wait for the students to join, I think, right?
Yes.
I reminded my students
I,
to sit
I
here already.
actually actually just started. Um, I would like you to be my co uh, co-author for this meeting, but I don't know how.
Okay. I
Setting is
don't
it?
know. No problem.
I don't know how. Never mind lah. So when people keep coming in, I
Oh
have to
yeah, then I
one by
can
one.
what's that admit them rather
Yes,
than you stopping, right? I know what
yes.
you mean. How to do it? I still don't know lah. I never done. We normally use the what's that the StreamYard, right?
Hmm.
I'm still not sure how.
Hello, Wing Yi. Wing Yi is one of my students.
Okay. Wait, I'll check whether my students are in or not. I think they're still joining in. Yeah, some of them already joined. Yeah, some already joined already.
I actually just started. I have to
Mm.
one by one.
Mm. You cannot admit in bulk. Sometimes you can, right?
Can if they are joining all together simultaneously, then I can admit all. If they join one by one, then I have to admit one by one.
Oh, okay. All right. One of my student is telling, wait, let me check what she said. She's
Okay, I hope you
telling,
can see my Microsoft Word here.
uh, dengar suara je. Suara lain macam tak dengar slow. Belum lagi lah. I told her belum lagi lah. Hold on first lah. Okay.
I think I will start from Hour of Code from the beginning, how to go about. All right. These programs, they are actually many programs ongoing.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, for your information, this AI Ready ASEAN has a few programs, okay, and they are ongoing simultaneously. So before you go to AI modules, we have to go through this hour of code first. Okay, so you need to get the national certificate before you move on to the AI modules. All right, so I already put everything on this Microsoft Word. I'm going to share this document in the Telegram group as well. Okay, but I will also share with my school teachers. All right. So make sure you join this group, the Hour of Code Telegram group, so that you will get information, up to date information. Okay. And then, okay, now let's move on to HOC, Hour of Code. I will call it HOC. Okay, so this is the pre-assessment. Okay, before you go through HOC, you have to fill in this pre-assessment form. Okay, you just fill in all the particulars and then you don't need to click. There are many links given to you, okay, in the form. You don't need to click all the links. You just straight away fill in your particulars, then straight away you hit the button submit. Okay, you hit the button submit. If you want, I can just show you the form. Okay, I will quickly go through the form. Okay, this one, because there are many forms. Okay, open hyperlink. Okay, there are many forms. All right, so this is the pre-assessment before you do the hour of code. Okay, you just fill in your particulars, your email, your name, okay, your age. Make sure you choose the correct category, female and male, choose one only. All right, and then all these you just fill in. You don't need to click any of the links, just hit the button submit. Okay, that's all. All right, you just hit the button submit after you fill in all the particulars. And then the next step, okay, I will give you step by step. Even in my Telegram group also, I actually put step by step. So after you have filled in the pre-assessment or pre-survey or the survey, okay, you just go to this game. You just need to play one game in order to get the national level certificate. All right. So just one game, and this game is the simplest game that I can give you. Even primary school students can play. All right. You just need one game to get the national cert. So it's as easy as ABC. Okay. So I will just show you what game is this. It's very simple because you just need to distinguish. Where is it? Oh, okay. This is the game. You can skip this.
Sorry, Yenny, I think got some group of student want to join, I think.
Oh, okay.
Multiple people, I think.
This one. Yeah.
Multiple people want to join this call. Admit. Okay.
Okay. Okay, good evening, everyone. Those who are just joining, I am now at Hour of Code. All right. So just to introduce this Hour of Code, if you want to get national cert, okay, you go through this first. So this is the first certificate before you move on to international cert, the AI modules. All right. So this one, it's for you to learn what is machine learning and how does it work. Okay. All right. Before you use machine learning, you have to give input to that machine. All right. You can go through this video. If you don't want to go through this video, I will give you another video to watch. Everything is actually in my Telegram group. Okay, so if you want to skip, you can just skip. All right. Continue. So once you hit the button continue, it will bring you to the game. All right. And of course, you will see the pop-up windows, all right, learning something about the environment, okay, especially the ocean. So it's killing two birds with a stone. You learn about pollution, you learn about AI, the machine learning. Okay. So is this fish? You have to choose whether it's fish or it's trash. Okay, so it's very simple. After you have done this game, okay, you have to play through, you have so many stages here. Okay, you need to go through all the stages here until you reach the stage 8. Okay, and then you will finish the game, you will get the certificate. Okay, so you just need to distinguish fish and trash, fish and trash. Okay, that's how you train your machine learning before it works. Okay, before it functions, you have to train it. Okay, I think multiple people want to join the call, so I admit all first. Okay. Hi, for those who just join, make sure you get the national level certificate before you move on to AI modules. Okay, just continue playing. This one you can just identify about 50 or 30. okay, 50 or 30 fish, then you can just move on to the next stage. You can just click here, continue. All right. After you have identified 20 or 30 fish, okay. If you make mistakes, don't worry because we are all humans, right? Even machines, they can make mistakes. Fine. Just continue, just go on. Okay. When you have large data, the machine, you will be able to train the machine. Okay, the machine that you train will be more accurate if you have larger data. So I just suggest you to try maybe 50 no need 30 data. Okay, you can check here the data here. This one is 1. Okay, then the next one is fish, so 2. This one is not fish, so you click not fish. So it's very simple, just for you to explore what is AI, what is machine learning. So it's something very simple, okay? Because we want the students to know about AI. So we put it in a fun way. You're not afraid to know about AI. Even the teachers, all right, even senior teachers, you can just do this. So once you finish this, you can also key in, all right, in your SPL KPM. Okay, even the teachers can get national cert. Okay, so once you are done with this HOC or hour of code, okay, you need to, what do you need to do? All right, let's see. So once you're done with this, you will get your cert. You will get the e-cert. So the e-cert, remember to put your full name. You remember to put your full name, and then you have to print the cert. All right, or you save it as PDF or JPG, JPEG. Okay, after that, you have to fill in the post assessment. So the post assessment is after the game. Okay, so after the game, you will get national cert. They will give you a national cert. Just make sure that you remember to fill in your full name and save it. If you don't save it, then you have to play again. All right, play again to get the cert. All right, then you have to go to the post assessment. All right, the post assessment, you have to fill in your particulars as usual. Then you have to upload your certificate. Okay, just now you download your certificate. Now you upload the cert into this Google form. Okay, so let me show you this Google form. It's very simple. You just fill in your particulars. Okay, let me click this. Okay, open hyperlink. So it leads you to this form. Okay, this form is from KTE or from ASEAN Foundation. So make sure you fill in all correct particulars. Full name, you don't put your nickname. Okay, if you put your nickname Ice Kacang, then okay, the PAJSK will go to Ice Kacang, not you. All right. So your gender, age, IC, make sure you follow this, the format. All right, with the dashes here. Your school, make sure you know your school name. All right. Affiliation, whether you are attached to school. Students, of course, school. Okay. University students, you can just choose university. All right. Those who are working, you can choose workplace. Okay. Those who are not working, all right. Those who are not working, housewives, you can just choose community. School code, you can find from Google. Okay, you can Google and find it out, your school code. If, for example, my school, it would be AEB. AEB. Okay, my school code. This is my school code, AEB 2063. Okay, this is for my school. Your school, you have to find out. Okay, you can just find out. Just go and search. Any search engine you can find. Okay, you just type. So it will appear here. This is my school code. Then you put it here. Teacher's name. Okay, for teacher's name, remember to put okay, SMKMMPEA. Okay, that is from Teacher Emily School. All right, teacher's name, for this part, you have to put my name because I have been trained for so many hours, 3 days, I attended this course. All right, so remember to put my name. as one of the AI trainers. Okay, so this is my name. I will include my name, okay, in the document as well. Later, I'm going to share this document with all of you, right? So put my name, and then this one, your parents' annual income, you have to ask your parents, okay? This one, annual income means 1 year per year, okay? Approximately below, that means below 18,880 ringgit. So this one you have to ask your parents. All right, this one, if you're not OKU, you're not disabled person, just put no. Okay, race, definitely you know your race, right? Malay, Chinese, Indian, choose one. And then state, Perak, Penang, Perlis, Sabah, Sarawak, you choose one. This is where you need to upload your e-certificate. So just now you download, you already downloaded, right, your cert. Then the next thing, you have to upload your cert here. So add file, remember where you save the file. Okay, so get the file, browse or drag your file here. Right, so where is it? It's a waveform. Okay, what should I put? Okay lah, I simply put one file. Make sure you put your file, you don't simply put a file. Okay, for example, okay, let's say this is your certificate. So you upload your cert, so it will appear like this. Okay, if you see this, that means you successfully uploaded your file. Next, how has your understanding of AI changed? Okay, you just answer all these questions. Forget about these links, all right? Just choose yes and then submit. Because I will share all these links later with you all, so you don't have to worry. Okay, just hit the button submit, that's all. That is your HOC. Okay, and then there is another form that you have to fill in. Okay, this Google form. So as usual, you upload your cert, you fill in your particulars. All right, frequently asked questions. If you want to ask how to upload the certificate, all right, how to download the certificate, everything can be found here. Okay, you just click the link, it can be found there. Even if you want to ask for the approval letter for this program, you can also get it from there. Okay, so done the HOC, then only you can proceed to modules of AI Ready ASEAN. Okay, for this one, you have to fill in Google Forms to get the KPM logo. Okay, how to go about the platform? Let me show you. Now we are here. Okay, AI Ready ASEAN modules. So I will show you how to go about the platform. Okay, this is the platform. Anyone joining just now? I heard the sound. Okay, no one joining. Okay, so this is the platform. All right, before you move on to the courses, definitely you have to register. So make sure you register first. Okay, you register because I already registered, so I can't show you. Make sure you register, fill in your particulars, and choose the correct category. If students, you have to choose youth. Teachers, you have to choose educators. So educators who go through all the modules, you are entitled to get 12 hours of SPL KPM, 12 credit, 12 hours of SPL KPM. Okay, you can key in under KKL or you can key in under e-pembelajaran. Okay, so I just show you the courses. For students, you have 15 courses. Okay, for educators, you have for students, you have 15 modules. For teachers, you have 20. So teachers, if you want to do, you can do. If you don't want to do, you can encourage your students to do. Maybe you want to save this course for next year. You want to key in, all right, SPL KPM next year. It's okay. you can save it for next year. So this year, you can ask your students to join, because if the students join these modules, they can join another competition later. All right. And that competition is also international level. Okay. So this one, I just want to show you how many courses here. For master trainers, I have 25 courses. For students, they are 15. Okay, I exit training mode. Okay, so I let you see for youth here, you have 15 courses. So here you have to go through all these 15 courses. So you have to go through all these 15 courses, and you need to go through one by one. You cannot skip. Okay, that means you have to start from module 1. Okay. You have to go through, okay, go through this first, Introduction to AI. Okay, there will be one button here, Start. So you just click the button, and then you go through all these modules one by one, okay, section by section. And then there will be pre-test and post-test. Okay, I think I have to show mine so that you can see how to go about. All right. You will also have this Introduction to AI, all of you, including the students. Okay, so you have to go through this. There will be a button here, Start Here. So you just click here, Start Here, and then you go through, okay, the learning materials. I would advise you to go through the learning materials as well. Okay, someone wants to join. Okay, good evening, Sarsi. All right, so you go through one by one. This is section 1. So first module, you have section 1, section 2, section 3. So the learning materials would help you to get more marks for your competition later, because you are going to have a competition on 27. So I would suggest you to go through all these AI modules, get the certificate before 27 September. Okay, before 27 September, because if you don't get all the badges, you don't get the certificate, then you cannot join the competition on 27 September. So if you join the competition on 27 September, you will get another certificate. All right, if you are one of the top 5 scorers, then you can get medal, you can get achievement cert. You can get 1 medal, you can get 1 achievement cert if you're one of the top 5 scorers for the competition on 27 September. Okay, so go through all the learning materials. Okay, the learning materials, you have video. Okay, you can skip the video if you want, but I would encourage you to go through the video, all the videos, all right? Not just one or a few videos that you like. Go through all the videos, because on 27 September, there will be a quiz. So this quiz, it's very simple, right? You just answer the Google form only. All right, so I hope you go through all the videos and you will be able to answer all the questions smoothly. Okay? Somebody wants to join. Okay, let me admit this person. Okay, Tesseran. Welcome, Tesseran. All right, so you can skip. It's skippable. You can skip the video if you want to skip. All right, so I'll skip the video because I want to show you, right? If you don't go through the learning materials, you cannot answer the questions. So you have to go through all the learning materials. So you have to click this, okay? Go through all the slides. Okay, there are 9 slides. You have to go through all the slides. Then you go to this, okay, this button, you click exit, then you can go to the post test. If you don't go through the learning materials, the slides all, the videos are skippable, but not the slides. If you don't go through all the slides, then you cannot go to post test. Okay, so post test, if you see, oops, you cannot go, you cannot start the post test, there will be a pop-up window here. If you don't go through all the slides, there will be a pop-up window here. Okay, it states here, oops, you cannot go through this. So you have to go back to the learning materials. You have to learn. You have to go through the slides, learn all the slides, then only you can start your post-test. Okay, so the post-test is actually very simple. Even if you get wrong answers, okay, it's fine. You can just move on to the next section. All right, AI is used in many daily apps. Okay, what does this show? AI is part of everyday life. So it's very simple, right? Yay, congrats. That's all. Only one question done. Okay, so it's simple because we want to encourage more people to know about AI, and AI is not something scary. Okay, so here, once you are done with the post-test, you can go to the next section. So that's why I say you must follow the sequence. If you want to skip, all right, you can only skip the videos.
Yani, I think someone wants to join.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yashvina. Okay, hi Yashvina. Okay, hi Yashvina, welcome. We are now talking about this AI class ASEAN, all right, the AI modules. So you can skip the video, but you cannot skip the slides. All right, for students, I would encourage you to go through all the videos as well, because you're going to sit for the quiz, right? And I'm sure that you don't want to waste the chance to sit for the quiz. That is a competition, you know, on 27 September. So if you have finished all the modules, you're entitled to get a certificate, international cert. All right. So if you join the competition on 27 September, you'll get another international cert. Okay. So you have to go through all the slides. 10 slides. You just need to click, read and click and read and click, finish all the slides. Then you go to this, okay, the cross button, just click, and then you move on to the post test. Okay. So the post test is also very easy. Okay, someone says AI and automation are the same. Which is the best reply? Are they the same? Are they the same? Okay. Oops, incorrect answer. Never mind, you can still go on. So don't worry. So I'm just showing you, even though wrong answers, you can move on to section 3. Okay, so don't worry. So it's very simple. Feel free to finish all at your own pace, but I would encourage you to finish all this before 27 September, because there will be a competition on 27 September. And make Malaysia proud of you, because the top 5 scorers, all right, you'll be joining a regional competition later. There will be a regional final. Only the top 5 scorers will be selected.
Sorry, Yani, to interrupt. I think some students want to join. Some of them are my students, so I don't know why I told them 8:30.
No mind, it's okay. Hi, Kalai Selvi. Okay, so I just want you to know how to go about this platform. So once you're done with this section, then click our courses, move on to the next module. All right, move on to the next module. There are 3 sections here in the next module as well. So again, the same thing. You will see the red button here, start here. Okay, for those who have not started, you will see a red button, start here. So you just follow, all right? Start here means you will have a pre-test. So you must do the pre-test. Then after the pre-test, you will have learning materials here. Okay, only the videos are skippable. All right?
Yani,
Only
can I ask a question?
yes, you can ask questions later.
Okay,
Okay,
finish
because
first. All
this
right.
is recorded, so
Mm.
I just want to show the video to
Okay.
those who are not attending this session. Skip video if you want to skip, but I encourage you not to skip because you are going to join a competition later. All right, so skip the video and then you have to go through. Okay, the slides. It's mandatory for you to go through all the slides. You have to click here, okay? Click this forward arrow until you finish all the slides. Then you go to this cross button, all right? Move on to the post test. Okay, so this is your post test. Then you're able to do the post test. Okay, Why is classification useful for AI? Okay, why? Okay, just choose the answer. Congrats, correct answer. So next you go to section 2. So I think okay, no problem with this. So how do you get the cert? All right, once you have done all the 15 modules, you can go to profile. Okay, you see here profile, you click here profile. Okay, just to show you how to get your certificate and how to get all the badges. All right, here you can see all your badges. You click the badges here, you can see all your badges. Okay, for me, I finished all the modules. So I have 25 badges. Okay, for master trainers, I've collected all the 25 badges and I also attended the course, 3-day course. Okay, a 3-day course in KL. And then your cert, here you have the button here. Okay, so you click here, the button, it shows here your cert, then you will get your cert here. Okay, this is your cert. Okay, so don't forget download your cert because you have to upload your cert later. So download your cert, this is your cert, and make sure this is your name, not somebody else's name. Okay, so once you're done, then okay, next, what is the next thing that you have to do? Okay, you have to register. Okay, just now I forgot. When you register, you will be asked to put in the referral code. Make sure you use this referral code. Don't simply put a code, all right? This is the referral code. If not, I cannot track you. Okay, put this code RSPEL, all capital letters. All right, and then I told you just now each module. Okay, each module you need to complete. Okay. Each module you need to complete the pre-test. Okay, you can skip the videos. Pre-test, this is learning materials. Okay, learning materials, you can skip the video. But if you want to get higher marks for your quiz later, try not to skip the videos. Okay. Participation cert. Okay, participation cert will be given to you. So just now I already showed how to get the cert. All right, then you have to fill in the forms. Okay, there are 2 forms that you need to fill in. Okay, so first, this form, open hyperlink. Okay, so fill in the first form. Okay, your full name, your class, school name. Okay, this one you have to choose one answer. If you're not from SMK Sultan Yusof, you choose this one, second option. Those from SMK Sultan Yusof, you choose the first option. Okay. Then the next one, another form. Okay, this form is from the organizer. When you fill in this form, you will be able to get your certificate with KPM logo. All right. Just now I showed you, right, the cert. It's actually without the KPM logo. Okay. This cert is without the KPM logo. Okay. This cert, if you notice, is without the KPM logo, right? So you need to get the cert with KPM logo. You have to fill in the form. Okay, you have to fill in the form from the organizer. Then they will give you the cert with KPM logo, right? So this is the second cert that you have to fill. Open hyperlink. Okay, so this is the cert. This is the Google Doc that you have to fill in, all right, in order for you to get the certificate. But I will guide you step by step because the document that I prepare, okay, will guide you step by step. You don't have to worry. Everything is there. Okay, just fill in and then upload the cert. Okay, forget about this. It's okay. So you just click submit. This is the competition that I told you. So since you have done the modules, might as well you join the competition. So you register first. This competition will commence on 27 September. Okay, you see the date now, 27 September, 5 p.m. Okay, they will give you the link later. Okay, so you have to join the Telegram, this Telegram group from KTETF, Tun Fatimah in Malacca. All right. This is actually the local partner. Okay. Local partner, this program, okay, all these programs are a lot of programs. They are brought to you by ASEAN Foundation. So the local partner is KTETF, College Tingkatan 6 Tun Fatimah from Malacca. So make sure you fill in this. This is the registration for the competition on 27 September, where you can get another international cert. Okay, top 5 scorers can get achievement cert. So top 5 scorers will be selected to join the regional final. This is another program. Okay, so this is another program. So it's very simple. You just need to answer quizzes. Okay, you just need to answer quizzes. So since we are here, I will tell you how to go about the quiz. Okay. All right. So you can go to my Hour of Code. Okay, Hour of Code, this one. Okay, you can go to my Telegram channel to learn how to get HOC, Hour of Code, and how to get Hour of Code National Cert, and how to get Modules AI Ready ASEAN. Okay. This one, I think I shared. Okay, I even shared the approval letter from BSKK. It's here, right? And then I will share with you the guidelines. Okay, I will share with you the guidelines as well. Okay, so everything is here. You can check. Okay. Right. Guidelines. Okay, this one, the link. Okay, the guidelines here. All right, how to go about this one. The guidelines for the competition. Since you have done the modules, might as well you join the competition because you can get another cert. All right, don't waste the opportunity. Okay, for your PAGSK. Okay, now here. This one, the quiz, it's only 1 hour and choose the category correctly. Now I'm talking about the competition. All right, the competition. Choose the correct category. So preparation before the competition, make sure you register with this referral code RSPEL. Okay, participants are strongly encouraged to finish all the modules. Make sure you finish all the modules. If you want to join the competition, okay, finish all the modules, watch all the videos, okay, because I believe the quizzes will be easier if you watch all the videos. All right, competition format. There are 2 sections. One, the section 1, core knowledge, which is mandatory. If you answer correctly, you get 1 point. If you don't answer, you get 0. Okay, and then you'll move on to the bonus round, section 2. Section 2 is optional, but then it's good for you to answer because you'll get marks right, bonus right. A large pool of bonus questions. There'll be a lot of questions here. All right, if you answer correctly, you get 1 point. If you answer wrongly, you get penalty. Okay, minus 0.5. If you don't answer, no points will be deducted. Okay, but you get 0 lah. So if you answer, you get 1 point. All right, this one, the bonus round would be 40%. Okay, mandatory section 60%. Okay, final calculation, this is how they calculate. So, okay, just to let you know how they calculate. So if tie breaking, okay, this is the, okay, if let's say there are 2 candidates, two candidates got 60, okay, 60 out of 100, then they will check the time, okay? The person submitted earlier would get higher scores, okay? All right, so rules and regulations, only one attempt per participant, okay? Because you are joining using one email, so please use that email, all right? Use that email to join, the email that you did the modules, right? Okay, some of my students, they already started with the modules, so make sure you use the email, okay? And then you will get these certificates of participation. The top 5 winners, I told you, right? Top 5 winners can get the certificates of achievement. All right. And then the top 10 scorers, top 10 scorers are, sorry, not top 5. Top 10 scorers will advance to the regional final, where you will be contesting with the other participants from the other ASEAN countries. Okay. So I think that's all my explanation. It's already 9:15, so I would end before 9:30, right? Okay, so any questions now? Any questions? Now Q&A session. Do you have any questions? Let me stop the recording. Any questions?
One of my students has raised